But Barrister, can the PDP proceed with this? Of course, they've already done that by proceeding, with the convention. But I would like to know, despite Abuja court order, and you being a legal practitioner, you would have to explain to us, how can a court in Abuja says no, another high court in one state saying yes, go ahead, another court is also saying this one has to be halted? Barrister, is the judiciary still in sync in Nigeria?
Well, yes, they are in sync.
So what is the consequence of this particular situation?
The reality is this. All this is orchestrated. They are orchestrated right from the very top. I will assure you one thing. If the different courts were giving orders, conflicting orders, related to the APC, immediately, the Chief Justice, the National Judicial Council will step in and wield the iron stick. Are you with me?
Yeah.
They will not allow it to waste one extra day. So all this is orchestrated and from the very top. And those who are thinking that the Seyi Makinde is a different faction from Wike don't understand the politics these guys are playing. They are playing with our minds. During the last elections, there were a crop of governors who moved along with Wike. One was the governor of Abia State, the governor of Enugu State, the governor of Benue State, and Seyi Makinde. So the whole scam they are playing is on themselves. Nigerians should live above these scams. Let me tell you what will happen. Seyi Makinde will emerge himself as governor of candidate
presidential
under
candidate.
the PDP. Of course, it's a waste of time because he knows that at the end of the day he will double for the president. So it's just a scam they are leading Nigerians through. That's why I don't believe we should be discussing these PDP issues anywhere, because they are playing with our minds. And even those who are members, the founders of PDP realize this, and they virtually said, okay, this government is doing this because they have limitless funds. They can throw these monies around, get court orders, bring people to attend rallies in the name of a convention when they know it's all a jamboree.
So,
it's a total
Barrister,
yes.
sorry to butt in here.
Yes.
So the concern for me would be the part where there is conflicting judgment from two major, courts.
Yes.
And again, question now would be, should Nigerians consistently believe in the judiciary as it stands? That's on one part. There is also the part of the Sule Lamido who has said, look, as it stands, I went to the court to reclaim my rights and not to fight the PDP. Is he even, I don't want to say if he's right to want to fight for that right of his. What's your position with these two stories?
Well, the reality is this. If you don't believe in the judiciary, what do? When you have a friction with somebody, you carry a knife and go and stab him? So there must still be that belief in the judiciary for most things. But in the political arena, like I told you, even the so-called man who you said went to buy a form and was denied. How many people have tried to buy forms in APC and were denied? And they go to court and the cases don't even get listed.
Some even bought the form, they took it from them.
Yes, the cases don't ever get listed. So don't think that there is a confusion in the judiciary. It is orchestrated. Because otherwise, right from the day the judgments are made, the CJN knows what to do. I mean, if it's realized that there is dubious transactions going on, the CJN knows what to do. It doesn't have to wait for 1 week or till the end of the date for the convention to make pronouncements. And I wouldn't be surprised if another court today, a Saturday, gives an order that it should go on. And still the CJN, the Judicial Commission, will keep quiet. So we have gone beyond being fooled by the antics of these characters. It is all well orchestrated, and it's to create confusion within the ruling party. Ask yourself, like I said earlier, if it was the APC, will this last for 1 day? It will not, because it does not fall within the system. You won't even have, when you go to file a similar application under the APC, you will not be listed till after the convention has taken place. Because it's still the prerogative of the registry of the court to list your cases. But if you go today, Saturday, to file a case to further cause confusion in a ADC, in Labour, or in the PDP, Saturday you get a date on Monday. So Nigerians should believe in judiciary in good time the judiciary will rescue itself from the machinations of these characters who are rubbishing it. Just like Nigerians, in good time, we need to rescue our country because all these things is being manipulated.
Okay.